Good afternoon, friends. Welcome to the mid-market update from the advisor desk. Today being the first session of the week, we started on a positive note. Nifty opening by almost 30 points up, and Sensex was up around by 99 points up in the morning. Right now, the market has given up all the gains and is trading flat, almost 5 points up on the Sensex. Now, this was kind of the opening upside was because of the Dow Jones closing in the green, up by almost 208 points on Friday night because of the data coming in on the unemployment part, which rose almost to 7.6%, and this led to the belief that the Fed chief won't kind of curtail or stop the bond buying program. So that cheered the investors and they went on a buying spree. Coming back to the Indian market, pharma and consumer durables are dragging the indices down. We also have Jindal Steel, Bharti Airtel, Sun Pharma, Tata Motors and Maruti Suzuki are the major losers or the laggards for the day. We see kind of some respite in IT stocks though, which are kind of taking the market on a very subdued level. Friends, the monsoon has been, the arrival of the monsoon has been good so far. As per the IMD, it has it has met way below the expectations, and just for the past 2 days we have almost 98 mm of rainfall in on the Mumbai area. So the beginning has been very good, so this leads to say that if monsoon is really good, that is good for the Indian economy as a whole, and which ultimately is good for the Indian market. Friends, coming on to the mid cap and the small cap, it is again taking a beating. We are seeing kind of some selling pressure coming in those stocks. RCOM is down almost 2.5 to 3% today after Bank of America Merrill Lynch has downgraded the stock or has given underperformer rating because of the steep balance sheet risk and the subdued earnings announcement in this quarter. Friends, we also have kind of an expert opinion that the currency which is kind of bleeding in terms of 57.7 is the current rupee to dollar rate. This is definitely bringing a hole in the RBI's CAD, which is kind of bothering. But we are seeing that if the kind of good announcements and results in the RBI easing the monetary policy, that could kind of strengthen the rupee. But they need to now take a decisive and a quick action because the rupee has gone past its 52-week low today. Fortis Healthcare is another stock which is up almost 2% after the company raised $55 million through the FCCB route. Kingfisher Airlines again in the news is down almost around 5% today as the consortium of the banking lenders have authorized SBI to kind of recover the suit or kind of the claim they have in the debt recovery tribunal. So that is again kind of a big negative for the Kingfisher because that dues is aggregated to almost tune of 7,000 crores. Lenders have also given the consent to the SBI to proceed against the guarantor of loans against KFA. So this is again kind of a big negative for the debt-laden airlines. Friends, that's all the news and updates we have. We'll get back to you more in post-market. Thanks.